Good morning friends, myself GC Das as a double crown director in Vestige. I welcome you in golden business opportunity of Vestige. Friends, Vestige company started in 2 June 2004, means 16 years ago. Recently we have celebrated our 16th anniversary, and in 16th anniversary company has announced lots of offers. So please know the detail. Vestige gives you a business opportunity. Through this business, earlier I was in job, started this part time. Now doing this, I have purchased my own house in Delhi, 2 cars, 8 times foreign tour, and I am earning right now average income 3 lakh rupees per month. Friends, this is the golden opportunity. For that you have to join in our business, and joining is totally free. No charge, just we need your detail, name, date of birth, address, mobile number and one ID proof. After registration, you will get registration number and password, and you will promote our product, advertise our product. But before advertisement, you have to be sure that products are okay. So that you have to purchase your product as per your choice, 1000 rupees product. If you purchase 1000 rupees, you will get approximately 1200 rupees MRP product, means 200 rupees discount. If you purchase 2000 rupees product, there is a option scheme, 4-month scheme, and you will get 50% up to 50% benefit if you purchase 2000 rupees every month, 4 months continue. If you purchase approximately 3000, means 100 PV product every month, then there is a scheme of 4 months, you will get 60% profit benefit. So it is your choice what you want, 20% discount or 50% or 60%. After using product, if you are satisfied, then only use, otherwise you can get your money back. Return product and get your money back within 30 days. But if 2 crore people are satisfied right now, in 8 countries companies operating, 2750 crore company turnover yearly, of course products are okay, then only this business is going on and on. So after satisfaction, you have to promote your people, your known people, friends, relatives, neighbors. Promote them that I have purchased this product and used, and I am very much satisfied. Use yourself and get money and earn money. They also will like, and they will also share. This way you will get a team, and through this team you can get 9 types of income. First income is retail profit. Retail profit, and this is 10 to 20%. For example, product MRP is 120 rupees, you will get at 100 rupees. Means this is called distributor price. You will get 20 rupees discount. And you are paying 100 rupees. Out of this 100, company 40% goes to manufacturing cost and 60% is company's profit. 60 rupees profit. This is called business volume. Out of this 60%, company pays us 60% share and 40% goes to company. So friends, we are partner of this company of 60% share. How to get 60%? For that we have to make a team, and through team performance and our performance, and through that performance we get performance bonus, and it is 5 to 11%. If your point value, because here every calculation is on point value, 1 PB is equal to approximately 30 rupees, okay, and 1 PB to 599 PB, your level will be 5%. 600 to 2399 PB, your level is 8%. 2400 to 5499 PB, your level is 10%. And 5500 PB, your level is 11%. And when you achieve 11%, your level will be director, and as a director you are shareholder of this company, and you will get another income, third income. This is called director bonus. Director bonus, and it is 4% of company turnover profit. 4%. For example, if company profit is 400 crore, 4 crore is divided among directors only. So this is a very good income. So business starts from here. Good income starts from here. So everybody focus on director, and you become fast director, you will get director bonus. and there is a option also. If you want fast director, then you have to manage not 5,500, just 4,500 in single month. You will be fast director, and you are eligible for director bonus. And if you support somebody to become director, you will be silver director. You have to maintain 1,801 PV side volume, and he will manage 2,001 PV. You are eligible for fourth income. This is called business builder bonus, and it is 14% share of 14%, good income. As well as if you will get travel fund also, if you are silver director, travel fund, and it will be 5% of company turnover profit. Through this travel fund, company has visited its distributor 30 countries. I visited 8 countries in 8 years: Malaysia, Australia, Russia, Bangkok, Indonesia, Dubai, Pattaya, so that everybody can visit foreign tour through this travel fund. As well as company pays leadership overriding bonus. Leadership bonus, when your director's line makes 5625 PV, you are eligible for leadership overriding bonus, and this is huge income, 16% income, company turnover profit income. Next is seventh income is car fund, and it is 5% of company turnover. To get car fund, you have to manage 3 people director. 3 people help to become director. You will be star director and manage 3 months. You are eligible for car fund 5%. Through this car fund, 6,000 plus people has already purchased car. More than 200 people has purchased luxury car. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Volvo, Jaguar, 1 crore also car price there. So please, car fund. Through this car fund, I have purchased 2 cars here. Next is house fund. House fund. You can purchase your house. For that, you have to help 6 people to become director. If your 6 people become director, you become crown, and after crown, 3 months you maintain. 4th month onward, you will be eligible for house fund 3%. And if you achieve this level, your average income will be 1 lakh to 5 lakh per month. Friends, 1 lakh to 5 lakh per month without investment, just doing part-time promotion only. This way, house fund, as well as you will be eligible for Elite Club also. If you are in topper Elite Club, this is 2% of company turnover profit share. For that, this goes to DCD and DUCD level, and this capping is just 20 lakh rupees per month. So friend, this is the 9 types of income you can earn in Vestige, and you can change your life. For that, you have to follow the system. Just create reason why you want to do Vestige. What is your dream? After then, you have to follow 7 steps. First is use the product, use yourself, then only you can value the products. And after using, if you are satisfied, just share the people who wants to use the product, and make a list of people, whatever people you know, and call them to the meeting. And now we have best meeting presentation in Zoom app. Just call people to this Zoom application. We will explain them. After meeting, they will join under you and show the plan. Next option is show the plan. You first understand what is we say, then you say yourself, show the plan. Then there is teamwork. Without team, nobody is success. So you are creating team, and through team you are getting success. We say अपलाइन से पूछो कैसे, डाउनलाइन को बताओ ऐसे, बीच में कमाओ पैसे. Next is follow up. Follow the person whom you have introduced, whom you have presented the plan, and follow the system. If you follow the system honestly, your success is guaranteed. So this way you can generate huge wealth and enjoy your life. Friends, this video, if you like this video, please subscribe this video so that I can show you more and more video and you can enjoy your life. Thank you. Wish you wealth.